Have you got a hat? Oh, that looks so beautiful. That's such a pretty hat. Oh my goodness. You are the height of fashion, Amelie Claire. Oh, won't go that way. Uh-oh. Is there going to be a shoe now? There. Perfect. That's perfect. Oh, Amelie Bobomelie. You are a kook and a half. Oh, now you're stacking hats. Okay. Just about out of battery, Amelie Claire. Oh boy. Well, I don't know, honey. That one's gonna be tough. Yeah, that's deep. You want some help? Want to try it? Nope, too little. Your head is too big, honey. Too much brain. Oh, that one's small too. Oh, it makes a nice glove.